Before you can register a business or incorporate a company, the first step is to register a business name.
Your business name allows you to identify your business to your customer and to differentiate your business from competitors. Here are some tips on choosing a business name or company name. Avoid similar or identical names. When selecting a business name, you should first search on BizFile Plus, Acra's online business registration and filing portal, at www.bizfile.gov.sg to check if the name has already been taken. You should avoid selecting business names that are identical to existing ones. You should also check for names with similar pronunciations, or for similar names but in different sequences.
It's also a good idea to check for names with words that have similar meanings. All of these steps will help prevent confusion for your customers and reduce the likelihood of a party raising a complaint that your business name resembles theirs. For example, if there is an existing company called the Cherry Delights Singapore Private Limited, you would not be able to register Cherry Delights as a sole proprietorship. Neither can you register Cherry Delight.
Avoid selecting undesirable names, for instance names containing expletives, as these will be rejected by Acra.
Lastly, the law specifies certain business names, such as the name Temasek, which are not available for registration. This includes names that the Minister has directed the registrar not to accept.
Once you have decided on a business name, you can log into BizFile Plus to submit an application. During the application process, if your selected business name is already taken, you will be prompted by the system to select another name.
When submitting your business name application, you must pick your primary activity and secondary activity from a list of Singapore Standard Industrial Classification or SSIC codes. There will also be a field for you to key in your intended business activity. For example, if you intend to sell cakes and pastries, you would select the SSIC code 10712 for manufacture of bread, cakes and confectionery. You might then type sale of cakes in the next field.
Under secondary activity, if you intend to also sell baking tools, you would then select SSIC code 47534 for retail sale of crockery, cutlery and kitchen utensils, and type sale of baking tools in the next field. The secondary business activity field is optional.
Applications to register a business name are usually approved immediately. This may take longer, between 14 days and 2 months, if the application needs to be referred to relevant authorities for review. For instance, if a name application contains the words legal or law, it will be referred to the Legal Services Regulatory Authority.
Business name applications cost $15. Once it has been approved, the name will be reserved for 120 days. During this period, you must proceed to register the business or incorporate the company. Otherwise, the name reservation will lapse and the name will be released for registration by other parties.
After your name application has been approved, you may proceed to register your preferred type of business entity. If you have not decided on the type of business entity to register, why not watch our video to learn which business structure would be most suitable for you.
For more information on setting up in Singapore, you can refer to the Acra website at www.acra.gov.sg. Best of luck! Check out more how-to guide videos on our YouTube channel.